Hello and welcome back everybody. So how you can install Ubuntu 22.04 in your VMware workstation. So how we can do that? Okay, so let's do it. So open the VMware workstation and on you can see I have already installed lots of operating systems. So let's click new virtual machine. In the home page you can see new virtual machine option, or you can click file or click uh, new virtual machine. Okay, so click on new virtual machine, go with the typical and click next. I will install operating system later. I will check this option and go with this option. I have selected Linux and Ubuntu 64-bit. Okay, and there are lots of options here. Okay, so click next, and here rename, you can rename your machine. Okay, so I'll provide the machine 22.04. Okay, name and location. I provide the location. It's I create the new folder. Okay, so it's Ubuntu 22.04. Okay, and enter and okay, next. And here store virtual disk as a single file. Okay, select this, and you can customize your hard disk space, maximize or minimize. I'll provide 25 GB and click next, and go with customize hardware. Here you can customize your RAM, and you can customize your processor, number of processor here. Okay, just like 1 2 4 5. Okay, and in the new CD DVD here you have to provide the ISO image. If you have already image, you can select from here, and if you do not have downloaded the image, you can download from the link in the description. So check out the link. Okay, so browse it, ISO 22. Okay, and open it and close it. And one more option, the network adapter. Okay, so select the bridge network adapter. Okay, and close it. Bridge, why bridge? Connected directly to the physical network. Okay, so close it and finish. And now you can see here I have successfully configured the uh, Ubuntu 22.04. Okay, let's configure the installation setup of Ubuntu 22.04. Okay, so turn on, and here you can see there are some options. Okay, so let me maximize this option for you. Okay, here you can see, so I'll go with install Ubuntu. Okay, so click on Ubuntu. Okay, here you can select the installation Ubuntu. Okay, so select install Ubuntu. Okay, I'll go with the default language English US and continue. Go with the default option normal installation. You can select minimum installation if you want to. So I'll go with normal installation and download basic updates and including the installing Ubuntu. Okay, so let's continue. Here it asks for erase disk and install Ubuntu. So I have already provided 25 GB disk space, so I'll go with it. Okay, erase disk and install Ubuntu, and something else you can choose other options from here. Okay, so I'll go with erase disk and install Ubuntu. So click install now, continue. Here we have selected the Kolkata, so Kolkata, India. Okay, and click continue and provide the username Raj. Okay, and check the login automatically. Okay, if you want to. Okay, so as check the login automatically and click continue. And now you can see we have successfully installed. So let's click restart. Press enter. Okay, you can see we have successfully installed the Ubuntu 22.04. Okay, so that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for being here. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. So bye.